Welcome to Tekzilla Daily. I'm Veronica Belmont. Today's tip comes from a Tekzilla viewer, Tom, in Wisconsin. He writes, "This app saved my bacon when I switched from PC to PC. It's called Moz Backup, and it lets you backup and restore Firefox and Thunderbird bookmarks, mail, contacts, history, passwords, extension, etc. I purchased all the software for a large university, and I was dreading the switch to a new PC because I figured I'd lose all my website credentials for the many vendor sites I visit. Moz Backup came to the rescue. My usernames at my frequently used sites still autofill, even with a new PC. And I've retained all my Firefox bling. It's available at mozbackup.jaznapaka.com. Thanks, Tom. And if you want to send us a tip, you know where to go, Tekzilla.com. It's the place to find more tips, tricks, product reviews, and how-tos. Plus, if you got a tech question or a product you want reviewed, send us an email at tekzilla@revision3.com.